So hi, for my literacy backpack draft, I have chosen the topic of manners. Manners are very important to have, and it is important in social settings, and it is something that kids always need to work on, especially when they are sick or speaking to their adults. Respecting your elders, that's something they should always remember. The books that I have chosen is The Bad Seed by Jory John. It is about a seed who doesn't have any manners and is always doing bad things. However, towards the end, he thinks positively and changes his ways. The second book I've chosen is Emily's Everyday Manners by Cindy P. Senning and Peggy Post. It is about a little girl who teaches her best friend about manners and how they are used for everyday occasions rather than just special occasions. The last one is What Do You Say, Dear? By Cecil Jocelyn. It is about learning what to say in certain situations, and it is a comedy book and very fun for all students at every age. So the artifact that I would use is a stuffed unicorn. The whole point would be throughout the entire lesson just to pass it around and share the toy and exchange it to each other by asking it politely. Some activities I have come up with is the Bad Seed activity, which could go with the Bad Seed book. And it would be to create bad seeds out of construction paper and create it into a plant by watering it with polite words and compliments. The more words, the more it will grow. With the Everyday Manners book, there will be an activity where they have to track every time they show manners to anyone. Like when they say please or thank you to their parents, it'll be kind of like a daily journal, you would say. For the What Do You Say book activity, it will be creating all of the artifacts it shows in the book and speaking to them like the book says. It will help them practice for real life situations. And yeah, that is my idea on manners.